Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the function keys on HP Victus 16. So you can see the top row on the keyboard. Here are the function keys from F1 all the way up to F12, and these keys have their functions. Actually two functions, the primary and the secondary function. So by default, the primary function is the F1, F2, F3 and so on. These are the legacy keys which are not really used anymore as much, but they still often have their actions in different apps, but it is very app dependent, so it's not really for me to explain it for every app. But in most of them, the F1 will open help. In browsers, the F11 will put it on full screen. The F12 will open developer tools. And there are a few other things that they will do. Then the secondary functions are these icons that we have right here. And to achieve that secondary function, you need to press on the Fn key, which is right here, combined with one of these function keys. So for example, the Fn and the F1 will open the projection window. So if you have a second screen connected, you can change the settings for it. Then the Fn and F2 will turn the brightness down, F3 brightness up, F4 will change the keyboard backlight brightness to turn it off or on. Then F5 will mute the speaker, F6 will turn the volume down, F7 volume up, then the F8 will rewind, the F9 will play or pause videos or music, F10 will fast forward videos or music, F11 will toggle the touchpad off or on. If it's lighting up, then the touchpad is off. Then the F12 will lock the Windows key, so now the Windows key on my keyboard doesn't work unless I turn it back on. And you can switch which action is the primary function. I personally prefer to have these symbols as the primary function because I think the legacy F1, F2 and so on aren't really as used anymore. I don't really use them at all. So you can change it, and there is a video on our channel on it on how to change the function keys mode on this laptop. It will require you to go to the BIOS and change a setting there. So these are all of the things with the function keys. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.